Today I am going to share the Jivan Tattva Yoga or Kaya Kalpa Yoga as followed an experience by Mahaprabhu Sri Ramlal. Kaya Kalpa Yoga is practiced basically for internal cleansing of our body. This is usually described as a technique which makes our body problem free. As the name says, it is the Jivan Tattva Asanas or exercises for better life. There are 7 exercises in this category, and these exercises are being practiced to tone our body, clean it, and make it problem free for the rigid practices of yoga sadhana. These exercises can be practiced alone for those who don't have enough time for more yoga practices in this busy world. These 7 exercises are meant for all part of our body, including eyes. By practicing these exercises, the problems relating to lungs, stomach, heart, liver, kidney, intestines, etc. gets cured. The unwanted fat is eliminated from all body parts, making the body look beautiful. Rheumatic disorders go away. Indigestion and constipation vanish. Blood circulation improves a lot. It's because of this improvement in blood circulation and increase in oxygen intake during the exercises that the body gets cleansed. These methods are now widely practiced and many studies are conducted in this field. The studies conducted by Dr. P.G. Krishnamurthy is explained in his blog named Jivan Tattva Yoga. Systematic practice of these exercises can be done by boys and girls above 8 years and men and women of all ages. Even patients with chronic diseases can practice these exercises. Here I am going to teach you the original techniques. The first exercise in this series is Nadi Tan. Now let us look how to do it. Lie flat on the ground. Keep your feet close together, interlock your fingers, stretch your hands and legs outward. Take a deep breath and raise your hands. Move your hands behind your head and touch the ground. Now release the breath and relax yourself while coming to the original position. Repeat this for 2 to 3 times. Maximum of 5 times you can do. The benefits of this exercise are it infuses activity, eliminates idleness, and it energizes your body instantly. You can do this exercise when you get up from the bed in the morning. After doing the exercise for the prescribed number of times, rest yourself in Shavasana. Keep your feet apart, keep your hands away from the body, close your eyes. Relax completely and breathe deeply. Continue Shavasana for 1 minute. The next exercise in this series is Pakchalan. Lie flat on the ground, place one foot over the other. Keep both your hands on both sides of your body. You can press the ground with the hand. Now turn the body sideways till the toes touch the ground. Don't move your head. Again turn on other side. When you turn on one side, breathe in and breathe out when you turn on the other side. Practice this exercise for 10 times in the beginning. You can watch the video for better understanding. You can increase the number till you reach 30. This exercise improves the rheumatic disorders of the body by improving the blood circulation. It eases the muscle cramps and releases the muscle cramps in between hectic exercises by improving blood circulation. It improves the painful condition of varicose vein by improving blood circulation in the legs. It relieves the knee joint congestions, tones all joints below the waist, and it is an excellent exercise for arthritis. Also, it provides sound sleep. After doing the exercise for the prescribed number of times, rest yourself in Shavasana. Keep your feet apart, keep your hands away from the body, close your eyes, relax completely and breathe deeply. Continue Shavasana for 1 minute. These are the first two exercises in Jivan Tattva Asanas. The next set will be published after 4 or 5 days. Till then, practice these exercises along with 8 walking explained in the earlier video. The link for the same will be provided in the end screen as well as in the description. Always do these exercises in empty stomach. Also, drink plenty of water, a minimum of 2 liters, to make the cleansing action easier and more beneficial. Follow the instructions strictly